Welcome fellas into this new video of TechExpress. Today let's talk a little bit more about the ad blockers. So if your ad blocker stopped worked or start showing empty boxes, it's because Chrome has officially moved to Manifest version 3. So the tools that worked into 2024 are dead. That means that nowadays you needed a blocker that speaks Chrome new native language. So I've used AdBlock for more than 5 years, but there are a few websites that still shows us blank spaces and we needed to change that element. So I find something new called the uBlock. So uBlock is the direct successor of the world's most popular AD blocker. Now, uBlock Original Lite is built specifically for the new Chrome. So because it uses an actual Chrome native engine, it has zero CPU overhead, it won't slow down your laptop or drain your battery, and a pro tip, after you have installed, you wanted to open the actual dashboard like that and switch to the complete mode. I'm going to try to pin this directly inside here. I'm going to open this element and you wanted to change this for the actual dashboard so we can keep checking this out, and it's to hide the empty white spaces where ad used to be. There's a second option called the Blockify. I don't trust a lot into Blockify because this is, for example, for Spotify. So YouTube, for example, has become more aggressive with the server-side ad insertions. So nowadays, the standard blockers often cause the video player to crash. So Blockify usually, instead of just blocking the request, it uses the smart skipping and save the mutant by bypass ads into the YouTube and Twitch, as I just told you, Spotify, without triggering the ad blockers and not allow warning. So this sets and forget. If you spend most of your time video on music platforms, I think that this one is going to be really great. And I think nowadays, for example, this has now more great elements. For example, it has 4.8 stars and really great ratings, which I think is going to be really awesome. There's a third choice that one of our subscribers told us, which is the AdGuard MB3. The AdGuard MB3 is a beta mode, so if you wanted a granular control, the AdGuard blocker is the most polished option. Its filters engine start up twice as fast nowadays. Now, I believe that this AD blocker has like a sealed mode, which is great for privacy. So this removes tracking patterns from the URL, like the annoying strings after the question mark, and hides your search queries from big data brokers. So a pro secret that I can give you for secure DNS is that you wanted to scroll to the use secure DNS. By using an ad blocking DNS, you are stopping ads at the map level, and if your extension misses an ad, the DNS will catch it. So this also blocks ads in some web-based apps that extension can't reach. It's the ultimate secondary layer of the actual defense. So in summary and into the conclusion, the best setup is a hybrid. For example, I'm going to stick around with the uBlock, which I think is going to be really awesome, and actually does a really great work. For me, it has done a really great work so far. So I put these links into the description so you can check them out totally for free. Don't forget to, guys, like, share, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more tools like this. Thank you truly so much for watching our videos. Hopefully, with all this being said, we can all see you well next time.